Hi guys! Today we have the first model from a series of parametric models that I plan to share with you. Here we have a coffee table. Let's take a look at how it can be customized. Select the object first. The settings are located in the Table Settings tab. The main settings are the table's diameter and height. Next, we can adjust the thickness of the tabletop. You can toggle the tabletop frame on and off and set its height. Then there's the diameter of the legs and their position relative to the age of the tabletop. The next parameter allows you to enable or disable the leg cross-bracing. At the end, there are 3 presets for quick setup, which you can further adjust according to your needs. If you no longer need the parameters and want to optimize the scene, select the object, right-click, and choose Connect Object and Delete. You'll get a baked object without the ability to change parameters further. You can also delete unnecessary Python and Xpresso tags, as well as selection tags if you don't need them. Now let's see how we can use this model in an interior scene. We copy the model into the scene. I have a prepared interior scene where only a coffee table is missing, so let's add it. We place the table in front of the sofa. Suppose I want to have 2 tables next to each other, one with a larger diameter and another smaller one that fits under the big table. We copy the model and adjust the sizes. Let's say I want to add a plant to the scene and use the table as a stand. We copy the model again, and in this case we can use the preset button. We place our plant on the stand. The size doesn't quite fit, so we increase the diameter a little. Looks easy, doesn't it? What about materials? Let's see how to do that. I am working in Corona engine, but you can use this model with any engine. Right now, the model has the standard C4D material. Suppose I want to change the material to metal. I open the Chaos Cosmos browser. Let's search for metal. Maybe this decorative metal will work. We add it to the scene. Now we need to replace the material. This can be done by dragging the material directly onto the material tag, or right-click on the coffee table material, choose Select Material Tags, and drag the new material into that window. This way, we replace the material on all objects at once. Well, that's it. Good luck with your projects and see you in the next videos.